Hindi naman talaga ito yung pangarap ko. Pero nandito na tayo, 'di ba? So bakit nga ba ako nag-IT? Isa sa mga factor kung bakit ako naging IT right now. Bata pa lang ako noon, naalala ko and kuya ko is in the IT industry. And being the bunso sa family, I really look up to my kuya. And he's really the big influence why I took IT as an career. Kahit na hindi ko naman talaga siya passion. Parang naririnig ko lang noon yung booming ng career is simply because of the technology and at the same time the money. Kumbaga, kung gusto mo ng malaking sweldo, papasok ka sa IT industry. And that's the trend na napasukan ko noon. And that's the big factor or influence kaya pinasok ko ang IT career. So from there on, naging super eager ako to start IT career. Even in college, yung thesis namin is all about AI and robotics. Tapos nagkaroon ako ng chance na mag-work into programming, hardcore programming, testing, and so on and so forth. And I really have to adapt. And right now, I'm in this industry, development pa din. Pero right now, it's really hard na kasi parang kailangan ko laging mag-adapt sa mga bagong technologies. Kailangan ko palaging matutunan. Kailangan ko palaging aralin yung isang bagay na hindi ko naman talaga alam. Kaya ngayon, araw-araw kong tinatanong yung sarili ko kung worth it nga ba talaga. Kayo share nyo naman yung mga career story nyo. Paano nyo yan napuntahan ngayon sa buhay nyo?